Alright everyone, welcome back to part 3. So the next part is we're going to try and make what's on the screen here now, this little pixel chase where the blue light is chasing around one after the other. So you should have some of this code already. This should be already there. If you don't, you just copy this in. It's very straightforward. From microbit, import star, import megapixel, and it should be just setting up the first variable there. Okay, so we're going to use a different we're going to use a condition loop this time, and a for loop. So we're going to have a loop within a loop. Okay, so how it's going to work is, so again we want to say loop blue dot in a circle, like so. Okay, so while is a condition loop, so that means as long as something is true, in this case it's always true, so it keeps going and going and never stops, this loop will continue. Okay, so then we use what we learned from the last task is for I in range 8, for example, 2 dots, and we're going to put in np, which is the name of our neopixel array, equals, and then we're going to have 0 comma 0 comma 255 brackets. That just makes it blue, for example. np dot show, it's going to show it, and then we want to sleep. This basically means have a little pause between each time, so we're going to sleep, make it 200, for example, and then np square brackets again, I square brackets equals 0 comma 0 comma 0, because basically turns off the light before moving on to the next one. Okay, np.show. Okay, so I can just close those brackets. In fact, I'm just going to change this one to 0. I'm just going to make this one green because we have blue already there. And again, we can just flash this to our microbit. Let's see, does that work? There we go, and now we have a green one. So have a play with this one and see what you can do. You can change the colors here, for example. In fact, a very quick one, you can just turn the sleep function down a little bit. And if I flash this, it should be faster this time. Fingers crossed. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Much faster this time. I think if I bring it down too much, though, something will happen. There we go. It's even faster. Faster and faster. And if I do 1, for example, it'll probably just look, oh, there we go. Super fast this time. Okay. Yeah. So you can try that out and see. And I'll see you in the next one.